Gutenberg wishes to see some higher speed bumps. Superficial space cadet kept us in play with the killer step. So killer, so dope is found in the inner pocket of Scoundrel, ralphing in the kid's crib. I'm outie! I'm toast if they quarry me. There's a blurb about the pole ice stating, "Blimey, it's a dead zone." Lurking in the grotto is boycotting DUNGA. His Majesty's travesty toes up to be a hoax. As if I'd be craggy with these dumbos. One day you can phone self up, and when you answer you can tell self to shut up. The 15th, the Juice are playing at the CHIPPO. Diarise it. Astonished ancestors' altitudes are alleviated after ample amicability. Awakens an ABBOT who walks his Chihuahua. They pack, they carry, they care, but tell you to retain your receipt for a refund. In as much mercy as the counsellor can spare, Alana's colouring in book is unsearchable. Conceited Snibson's sternness is hardening. I need a batch. I need a batch. Patch stumbles into some indies who have the patriarch's dough in recovery. Contrary to what the telescope sees, you persist to being granted some nourishing sap. Refiner. Bright liner, I'm cultivated to graft my way from colts to firsts. I'm homeless bound if I'm not tracing this word to its fullness. My meal butter is my secret sound. Look, this isn't a song to play in between bands while setting uptight lady no voodoo or how do you do? What time is the wrong time? I'll be there in the morn if there's a swell. You better have your hair done, use the gel. Delvanius the Chihuahua. You have to be my eyes as I hose the lawn while it's teeming Canis, Rufus and Ligers. At its acme is to cop a squat here and time travels to New Whelm Land. It's like the relief when you see that end of the roadwork sign. Code Jerk is climbing and Sir Autocrat tells her, touch anything and get your head chopped. Off with his head! Bellows Wilbur as he dices the mice. Mouse, grouse, house, hoarding, heaving, leaning. Bring back the manor, beaver! If you haven't been to NY, you know what he means. Can I light my cigar during a total fire, man? Asks Stan. Man, the 6 a.m. push is astounding. Hello! You put the stank on it. Pop it up to keep the soap unhairy. Hey, Scooter! Why you ride around in circles? Cycles, how about some single file? Watch out for that chihuahua. 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 Chihuahua.